Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to hide your last seen status on WhatsApp. This feature is perfect for maintaining your privacy and controlling who can see when you were last active. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner of the app. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on it to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your WhatsApp account. Next, tap on Privacy. This section contains all the options related to your personal information and visibility within the app. Now, locate and tap on Last Seen. Here, you'll see several options that allow you to control who can view your last seen status. To hide your last seen from everyone, simply select Nobody. This ensures that no one will be able to see when you were last online. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully hidden your last seen status on WhatsApp. Remember, once this setting is enabled, you won't be able to see other people's last seen statuses either. It's a two-way street. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might find it useful. See you in the next video.